In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create studio lighting in Blender. If you're looking to take your 3D renders to the next level with professional-looking studio lighting, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in and get started. First things first, we'll need to create a backdrop to provide a suitable setting for our lighting. This will serve as a neutral base that your lights will bounce off and help illuminate your scene evenly. You can easily add a backdrop by creating a simple plane or a curved surface, depending on the effect you're aiming for. A curved surface can create that seamless look often seen in professional studio photography. Next, let's disable the default world lighting to ensure that your custom lighting setup will be the sole source of illumination. By turning off the default lighting, we eliminate any interference it might cause and give you complete control over the lighting environment. Now, it's time to add some lights. Typically, a studio setup uses a combination of area and point lights, positioned strategically to enhance your subject. The key light will be your primary light source, providing the main illumination. It usually comes from one side to create depth and dimension. The fill light, placed opposite the key light, softens the shadows and ensures they aren't too harsh. Finally, the hair or top light, positioned above or behind the subject, helps accentuate contours and separate your subject from the background. Experiment with the placement of these lights to achieve the effect you want. With your lights in place, let's move on to adjusting their settings. This is crucial for getting the mood and atmosphere just right. Use the light settings to tweak the power, size, and color. The power dictates how strong the light is, while the size influences the softness of the shadows. Color adjustments can warm things up or cool them down, depending on the mood you're going for. Don't hesitate to play around with these settings to see how they change your scene. Once you've fine-tuned your lighting setup, consider refining the overall look by adjusting the camera focal length and the color management settings. A longer focal length can flatten the scene slightly, which might be desirable for some artistic choices, while color management settings help you control the overall tone and contrast. For those who want to streamline the process, Blender's built-in 3-point lights add-on can be a fantastic shortcut. This add-on quickly sets up a basic studio lighting scene for you, providing an excellent starting point that you can then customize to your needs. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-lit studio scene that makes your 3D projects shine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different configurations until you find the one that speaks to your creative vision. Thanks for watching, and happy lighting!